Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Square for online payments step by step clearly. Visit the Square website. Click on the Sign Up button. Enter your email address. Create a strong password. Select your country and type in your phone number. Click the Create Account button. Verify your email by checking your inbox for a confirmation message. Click on the link in the email to confirm your account. Log into your Square account using your email and password. Click on the Settings option in the menu. Select Payment Methods from the Settings menu. Choose the option for online payments. Fill in your business information as requested. Enter your bank details for payout. Provide any required identification for verification purposes. Review your information for accuracy. Click on the Save or Submit button. Return to the Square dashboard. Explore additional features and settings as needed. Begin accepting online payments through your Square account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.